Kubor nagaslem jong unongsan hima.
Kalong ka gabas ngotenat ban yoi hagani gajuk ka babenta pakidang don kibreu ki bapene pensa ki jingbam bat ki jhor tenrai ki basdang bandu jan yakani la yoi haga jingpli ya dukan jong ikong platina mujai haga snong kweng umroy ya kabala ai kerteng mairam el mentakas ngi do ba krabor lang wa lang ubadai kmi ya ka Empowerment Monitoring Committee and Innovation jong ka North East Slow Food Society NESFAS. Hagani ka dukan ki pajba ki la ban yo ya shibon jat ki jingbam tenrai ki ba amju da kham yo asatya ha ki weipat ki jaka kham tam ki jingbam ki bala shat kerpang ki tendong se ki ba bang bat ki ba pensyam ya ka shentur jong ki nongbang. Ikong platina mujai ibala kenjo ya kerta ka bah ndre puwaisnem but don ship hongut ki khon ila sedang ya kene ka kamshet ya ki jingbam tenrai menta la komba ship hosnem ai but hakisnem ki bala dep ila sedang ban pleru ya ke dukan mairam au ka barit but menta ka kentipat la yo ban plesen don da ka dukan ka ba khamhe but ka ba paka lingba ka jingerap jong ka Meghallian Age Limited. Nalor ka dukan mairam el ikong platina mujai idairu ibala jumi ban lechet shakeleng ki jaka bad wat sabar jong ka jelaru bad iju hikai ki waidi ki bakwa ban nang ya ka rukom shet tenrai bakin la ban seng ya la ka jong ka dukan nalor ba ihikairu ya la ki jong ki khun ki kti ki persakurin ki bayarap langpat ya i menta. Shushu ikong platina mujai idairu ibasna ya ka umso dawai kabala shnada ujajo balaya thuru bakane ka umso kayarap na kabenta ki to ki breu ki badan ya ka jingpang BP bat ki wai de ki jat jingpang.
Amla klem da aingu yo bulai mah yal ma ka jingalam lenti jong bulai ha ka jingai lenti jong ai ka sap ka bangadon te bat ha ka banung kong ka baar pat dengan yathu ya ka kerteng jong a de kong plantina mujai syong basa ha ka sinong kweng te nadu bang sedang ban don la ka jong ka ying ka sem ada ibri basong tenat ban trei nam ban ta kan ke siat ka tiu nadu usnem khandai puar te nga sedang ban siat ya i ngasiat dukan sa te empat lai surok ngalek siat sa itei gilum badan setei bapiwan yai lenti nang tei te nang ta pade hat ndal lai surok ngapoi ni hatrai snong bangi ong kate kalat trai snong na ka banta ka bangale kumni ka siat ka tiu te ngaya kandu ha usnem ar hajar khat area ka NESFAS te nalor ka sap ka bangadon ka bangalale ya kene jingbam tenrai ya kandu sa ka NESFAS kalong kumba ai jingmut bat penskem ya ka ta kasap ka bangadon siat kini ki jing siat tenrai wala kamlong ka ba don de ki phnyang ki ba khleng ki ba kamno hre kar kom siat kalong ka ba phala tang ba ki jingbam pat de kilong ki pangat bat ki babang bat ki babha tem dei tang manga ni po sinong kidon giru temen ki ba ya kersan lang na benta gini ki jingbam ki bangi hakade ki sinong jungi ngi siat yetiu kumta kido ki jhor ki bangi yo na ki khap ki jhor ki bangi yo na ki khlaw ngi siat yetiu hagi yeng ki sem ki jongi kidon ginong ki ba im tang ya ka ban khek ya ki jhor kum ha ki ne ki singi ki ba mentale ni ngangadon ginong ngi atli ki dukan ne ngi don ginong khek jhor kinong khek sla kinong pom tendong kinong tongdo ngila ai kerteng ki se office te kita ru kila yo bala na gede ki dukan jongi te ngang so komen sibon bahakini gisi menta hadu menta gesi ka long gesi ke jingjob ya kene kam ka bangatrei kumba ipa jonga ila hikai badi og ya ka ki kam ki ba fitrei khon hide ban e ya ka kam jong phi khnang ba ka kam rukan e ya phi te nga kantu ha paro ki khon ki kti ki badon haki sinong ki thau la de haki no ki jaka kanu ka kam ka bagi trei ki de ban e ya la ka jong ka kam khnang ba ka to ka kam ka bagi trei kan ia pi te ngaru ngasong kumta ba kata jingkran jong giru temen ka banga bat ka banga tip menta ba kalong sisa kumta hi te hadu menta kala dap ship house lem banga set te kini gijing set jonga banga set tang sinong thau ngalek hababun kieu hakababun kisinong githau kikhot kitip man haganiru ngilek sate sapo orchid ro kide de gijing bam bapla te kala ai men sim bahayanga namar ba kilong kibayat ki festival jong ke India ngalek set mah kai yeu kayat bahangim la raban pendap ndalawan nang tai padeng yang ngalek central dari jong ka election jong ka commission state central nyawan menen kemit hi ngasa sete te gini kijing bam jongi gilong kibagi breu kikwa ban mat ban bam tang hadukan andre gikhot yang abangan lek ban set ban tiu tang ba mentah gini gisi gi mentah ngasngau ba ngala kham thaj kham telat atat bagi breu gel adon kam yang abangan don hapo jong ka ying bat kedukan jong giwan man kasngi namar ka ofisi ka ong yang bangin ai training ban pan itu ya gijhor gibayo na lom na khlau bat bar hikai ban set ru yaki tigidon gi subuh kumni kumbaka office kala hikai mah subuh kumni haka sikilo jong usop promo subuh te ngin ai ka kambakat no te usop pro tu de badon ka te hangi ai kumbasi pelasteng kumta lande bantun kamelu si samoy dunam to lai pawa samoy iktung tap ki senrai ki sak mungkin kumta andala tanam gitu lai gitu kijing ber jongi barok khoj kadai ban tep sagi jhor set pat kum tu hadu bakan dai bham dai ban set malum mala ya ki jhor ki do mah dai ban set bha hadu bakan dai ibang ibet bha te hangta kala don kata kijing mat bahaba pibam ya ki jat jhor kham tam ya ki do dai ban set bha mo ki lai kai ngi ban set bha ya swa bangin set ro ya lede ngi don kam ban kijing khoj hak jaka set jongi kadai ban long ka bakhoj ki khiu ki siang ki plyang ki bangi pendon kam ki tari nadu ki tari ki dai ban long ki bakhoj ya lade dai ban long ki bakhoj ban ot bha ki tersim ban sat ka kli ban sop ban spany mo ba kanam don ka ka ba subu yo her kisnyu ta kang ba ong ngima dai ban sop ban spany ban pek bha
Kulis buat ningko nga di bakraw borlang walang tre haponas pas kakam kejonga hante kalong mga fake na kamenta kini committee empowerment ka monitoring and evaluation bati innovation program kibangin na kanas pas nila tekum ga mensupa mencupunkan mau ni ba nakaliang jong kanas pas niwan how dikas na hoki snam arjar khabe arjar khan ar ka dikas nong te ni naka kanong rem ni jong kanas pas kalong mangin pendek ban pensa kini ki belong tradisional yang i khasi nado karyam ka bek ka kup kasam ka rap karyang ka bam kadi te habangi awan man ya keren begini ki bre ni hapos nong nilap bagani kadi gai ni kisnong ka barang khan ma haka ba jinglong ya kita jinglong tanrai ke jongki khamtam nili haka bam kadi ban hakini ki jing ki jang kup ki jan hu ki erisel ini ta jidang ya klan ma ne tengi kani kedukaan ka bangi dan hangnya kedai ka baladap dan swa bangin wan mangi tenrei ngiwan hangnya bangin ya keren baki ngi pen nilap ba kini ki hade menga ada beli ka exercise ka bangi belum jingtep ki jingthung jingtep sania dan rai ki babon la kita jingthung jingtep hakani kedukaan kamdadan te nya song nya keren ngan ba kini kita dukan nyong ba kumnu bangila ban sadim yang ya kini gir kombam tenrai ke jongi ke bangi yo ada jur klau yo ana kini ki do dawa ki bangi yo ana ki penthor ka ba nang ta bat na ki tradition ni kema pi ki nang bhai sele mo te kini idi kong bawan sakmat i bayang ba ong to ngan stang manga ya kamera mau kafe ki kertangi kong plantina mujai te hangdien nang ta kan iwan ngi sai ki training gi fair nakam ta ka plating nakam ta ban monoplet ki recipe ban penbang ki jor ki jap iwan khat ki chef ki bana sakelengga wan nasa do napo nagalan dan web chef balapau nama chef jual wan ai training hangni steo sa begini samne te hadien nang ta kasasdang mani kani kamera mau kafe Tekani ka miramau kafe ka bang ya dan mentah ni keladon chipos nam kejinga lenti ke jongka. Hari nang ta ini kong ila nama berkilawan kini kibriu kilawan keleng ka mendai tang na pori khasi jentia jongi ada kilawan wat na sa ki national level kum na sa Delhi na sa Mumbai na sa irkiwan nang ta wat na sa abroad kidon gibawan ti la ide ban pentemai namar ba ketu ka iu ti request yengi on pendesain lam tinggi dan arkitek apa office jongi tinggi pendesain ye kani bakan long tradisional kini lihat di bambu te mentai la adap te mentak skin di bangi inaugurate ye kani
Tinalo tani kami romo
Thôi kidang ngiling nang kwa ba ni kwa ba nang penslur suai gini ke kam kan namar ba ngim kwa ba long ba ki khun samla le kham tam ye yet kam yet jam ha kani ka por te kani ke dei ka ba ngi yo i bala dang nang hi ma pran kam ya ke ka ba trai nang bu nang thau la bu yengi am hakinu ginu ke jaka ba mengi dan inang ma pran kam hok ya ka kamai ka ji le kan kawan baik te kani ke di ka wei ne ki nuksa ba kamera mau kafe kadan te ngi kwa ba sekiwe ki snong ru kidan man ha kani ar lai ngot ki banai ste ki than sora kilawan man study ya kani kamera mau kafe kumno bekile kumno ke te mentai kilas dang man persang te ngi kwa ba ki chajantia sa garu kalalon kawai ka bangi ni lai ai training mangi kelas dang kelapau nam ha kata ki ong ka aman asom cafe sa po garu hills te nang ta kidan se kini ki than ri bhoiru arlai teli ki belastang bande wan sta ki than nong po setir kidan te ngi kwa ba nang spread ye kani ka beramo cafe ka ni ke je mandre khasi jangi nyong ta ka metrinlan society ma nidan la ke jong ke values ke ba mangi nidan hak ke por mensha ki jong ki me ki pe ki jongi ye im nya salang rengkat ba kamariang ngasih ken mau bangai song nge kren ba kini ki bri nge pos nong gen kyong da por ba bam khnyang nge jing thum ong phile kumno kyong ni pen ni dan da kata ke buj mo ke ba da ki sim hi ki wan ban ba mi ki khnyang nang ta da ki jing thum ki ba pher ki ba mi na ne kamariang ki ba sieng itu ki ba be ki khnyang kem mon ra ki dawai chemical na sewai ban le kita kadai da ka jing study ke ba utrai nang bu nang thau la bu ya ki kitip ban le kata hari kini ki sang mandu ski namar ba ki sang man yebe ya kene ke ki ong ka modern tradition mo kat ba yo kloi yo stat yo ki sang man le kata ti henry kani ke snong ka ba kada yang saki sisa ba kadang penne ban pensa ya kita ki jing start penrai ka ba ki long bu nang thau ti kini ki values ki jongi te ladangi nang kan ji kini ki values ki ba mangi dan bagi em ringkat ba kamariang ni sa ringkat ba kamariang te tadi automatically kamariang ke jongi kan bha kan ne te gini ke message ke bang kwa banong habaro khai kari khasi jentia jongi ngide ban bat biang ya kata ke values ke ba mangi kum ke jai ban ri ngidan ke bangi em ya sa ngidan ringkat ba kamariang hari nyem dei ban kwa ha than mo ya ke ke ba teng ngi le ben na wa dia kamariang ru tang na dau ke jing kwa ha kani kamariang ke bu trai nang bu nang thau la bu engi bakan biang ke bam nang ta jongi handai la dangi kwa palat ya ke ba trai nang bu nang thau la ai tingi salia sigi kam gi bam dei tenang ta kadau ngi sa penjat ya kamariang.
Hello, my name is Ayhun Lang Maulong, and I'm the last daughter-in-law, the youngest daughter-in-law in this family.
Lang Mujai, I'm the daughter of this owner. Means Mother Earth.
Mother Earth.
It's a Mother Earth, yes.
So can you tell us the basic what is the logic of that Miramo?
Yeah, the logic is that all the food here it's local, and not exactly local means from this village itself. We don't buy from other village, and we never get those green vegetables also from Shillong. We got it wild. It's a wild one from this village itself. So all the food, all the things you get from here, it's all local from this village itself. That's why it's a Mother Earth cafe, and all the vegetables, it's wild one. All of them we get it from the forest. That's why it's a Mother Earth cafe. All the things we get, it's from Mother Earth only. Yeah, we have all kind of local, it's a tradition of this Bhoi tradition. So Bhoi also is different. You from Nongpo Bhoi, it's different, and Umroi side Bhoi, it's different. Like here, you'll get the do share made out of the umlung, and then the wang lung sit, and then we'll get in do share also you'll get like different kind of cooking. First thing with the umlung, the second one with the bamboo, with the fried one, then the third one they mix a lot, and all the things, all those do share, all those yam, all those everything they made out of the cucumber, right? It's a cucumber. Yeah, they're all made in that with no oil, no onion. There are some they fried, but with no onion, no onion. So it's totally boiled, all the fresh only, the fresh food and the fresh meat we get from here. And the fish also, she have her own pond out there. You will see there. And at night time we went and fish it free, catch it from there, and then we came here and then smoke it. Yeah. My mother-in-law, she's been cooking since the years 1870s. Even me and you were not born on that years, I think. So she she's very fond of cooking. Nobody teach her. Nobody told her to do this and do that. She just cook it by herself. She like cooking she get the vegetables. She cook it. She tried to cook with that and with this one. And then it happened to be it came out tasty. So she kept that one in the menu. And then she's a farmer. Mainly she's a farmer. She went from the forest and get all the vegetables. She try and pluck all the the wild one vegetables. What is this? She know all the name. We don't know all. So she came home and bring all this vegetables she got from the forest, and she tried to mix it with other things, and that one came out of in her idea, like she will cook it in her stall and make it a cafe. And 2012 I think, so this NSFAS came. They came and visit this village. They saw my mother-in-law cooking all this unique food. It's very unique. You'll never get it anywhere except here only. So it's a very unique one. So they tried and they came and learned. They came and see how is she doing, and then is it good to eat or not. They came and test all those all those dish which she made, and then so it came out tasty, and it came like they are very healthy for eating also. They are very healthy because it's a fresh one. So they help her they help her train more and more. So they help her study more about the wild vegetables, and then she learned till now, and she gave training to all the Diseng Samla here in Queen village. And then some of the students from Martin Luther and the tourists from Brazil, from Italy, from Mexico, they came because why? They saw, because this NSFAS help her advertise all this food. No. So the thing is that she's been cooking since 90s, but nobody knew is that we don't have network. We don't have network out here in this village. So we got so the NSFAS saw, and they gave us a network tower last year. So after we got the network, so they advertise it publicly. They publicly advertise it. So now the people know. They came and taste all the food, and some of the many of the peoples they like our food because why? It's a very unique one. It's an authentic one, and it's it's very rare to get. No, it's very hard to get also. And all the food we serve in a bamboo plate, and we serve all tradition we serve. The thing is that we really open this shop is that after they saw after the people saw, after the government saw that before we have a small shop, it's very small. So they saw the Meghalaya. We thanks to firstly mainly and kindly to Meghalaya Age Limited. So they gave us a scheme officially. So now we have made this big shop, this big cafe. So now we have invited them. We may not know they will came or not. So officially, financially from this cafe, from now we get from Meghalaya Age Limited. Yeah, they invite us, and then they give us this and that, and then they help us build this new shop. Now we got a big shop, better than the older one. It helps a lot, all the before this village people, they went to forest and got all the vegetables. They don't have place to sell. They eat it by themselves. So now we have this Meramo Cafe. They came and sell to us.